Oh, happy Halloween! Oh, happy Halloween! Oh, I am lovely. Something Halloween. Well, everyone, are we enjoying Halloween? We have trick or treating in later on. What? No! 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's a tie. Ready? Ouch. Ah, my cardigan is wet! That's what you deserve. No. I should go down outside. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I'm stuck. Help me, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. The fat controller, what have you done? I'm stuck. Will you please help me, guys? Please help me. Yeah! Hey, hey! You saved my lives! Toby deserves a lovely campaign. As before Halloween, a lovely time. The fat controller hits right in the spot for a safe Halloween. Wow. Hey. Ouch. They're step by side. Who's gonna win? Come on, Patrick, you better on you. Ow. Yeah. Ow. No, it's trick or treat. Oh! Uh-oh. Oh no! I peed on my pants! I peed on my pants! Ah! Oh, wet, dusty, and dirty. It's all wet. Hey! Oh! This is the worst Halloween ever. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now, don't you get overseeded tomorrow. Uh-oh. Let me out! Ah! I think he's going to... What is it? Ah! Oh, dear, I'm running. Back controller! Uh-oh. He's dead! He got beating! He got E! He got E! He got E! Ow. Have a ball, mister. Ding, 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 ding. I should have to play this. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, he's dead. I'll try again. Whoa! Holy bollocks! You're almost losing him. That's it, I'm throwing this over there. Yay! Oh, oh. Hey! I'm not dead! I'm not... Oh! No! You know... Oh! What's that to me? Oh, it's so much blood! Oh. Oh. No! No! Oh. According to the news, there's so much blood on it all over the entire screen. Strange thing. Oh! Wee! Ouch. There's a little worm, thing is fun. You can slice them into two. You can slice them into two. Slice them up. You can slice them two. Comes a friend, always has another cup. All the friends don't go never. He has a friend, it's always time. You know what I'm stamping this. I cut your face. No one wants to live here with you anymore. Oh, he's still moving. Oh no, he's moving. Bam and slam and bam and stand all out. Uh-oh, the butt's gonna crush. I hate worms, I hate worms! Why they keep moving? What's the heck? Who get even run over? But now they're now being crushed over the worm. No more Aaron the worm. No more you stupid song. Bye. No more song for you. We hate you, Aaron the worm. You should be dead. Hey, hey! Ouch. Thank you for watching, Thomason. And join us again for our next adventure. See you there. Goodbye! Goodbye!